Hi, I'm George. Welcome back to DIY Camp Life. And today we're going to finally get a chance to install this ARB awning on my hiker trailer. Stick around, I'll show you how I'm going to do it. All right, so today we're going to install this ARB hard-sided awning on my hiker trailer. This is the aluminum hard-sided 8x8 awning by ARB. It has the LED strip light inside of it. On their website, these are going for $6.96. That's the regular price. They're on sale right now for $2.99. I got this at the Overland Expo in Arrington, Virginia, a few weeks back for about $235. This does not come with mounting hardware. There are various mounting hardware that you can buy. I picked up the L brackets that are from ARB that are designed for this, and some T-bolts. Cost me an extra $50. And today we're just going to be mounting this up here. Okay, so like I said, the brackets don't come with it. These are the brackets from ARB. Get a little closer here. These are pretty heavy duty. These three bolts, these two holes here, will mount into the back of the awning. These holes here will mount into the roof rack. So I want to show you how these mount into the awning, and then we'll get going from there. Okay, so this is the back of the awning. This is the top side, and this is the back. These are T-bolts right here. I'll get you a little closer shot of those. And there's a notch at the other end. The heads of the bolts go in and they slide down in this track. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to put them on here, throw a couple nuts on there. We're going to keep them loose for now until I can get this whole thing located where I want it on the roof rack. It's going to be a bit of a challenge for me to do this by myself. So I'm probably not going to show all the circus maneuvers I got to pull to get this up there. But once I get it up there, it will be loose. And just going to try to eyeball these and get them lined up to match the roof rack. We'll clamp them down, and then one at a time, we'll slide them in place, drill them through, bolt them through. It's pretty straightforward. All right, so now I've placed this up here. I still have the T-bolts in the back loose, but they're tight enough to hold these in place. And these brackets are sitting up on top. T-bolts in the back, they're just clamped for the moment. And you can probably see there's a bit of a gap here. I'm going to put washers under there, stainless steel washers. I'm going to bolt this through to that. Okay, as I mentioned before, how these T-bolts fit in here. There's a little square cutout here. These just go in there, and then they just slide wherever you need them. Now, unfortunately, this is the only one on the one far end. It'd be cool if there was one on the other end, but we already have all our screws in, so I already went through all that, so you don't have to. All right, so at this point, I'm going to drill out these three holes. There's three holes. I know you can't see them right here. I will get you a better shot of that. I'm going to use 1/4 stainless steel bolts through the furthest two. And this back one here is just going to be a stainless steel self-tapping screw because I can't bolt through because of where this bolt here. I'm just going to cross into this, so I can't drill straight through. So I'm just going to put a self-tapper in the back and two through bolts in the front. All right, so what I'm going to do here is take a 1/4 stainless steel bolt, washer on top. I'm going to put two fender washers as shims under here to take up that space. Bolt it through. Another regular washer at the bottom. And then a nylon locking nut through here just to get it started. And we're going to do the same for this back one. 1/4 bolt. washer, 2 stainless steel fender washers as a shim, through, washer, and then the nylon lock nut. And on this last hole right here, I'm going to put a stainless steel, well, these are zinc ones, but I do have stainless steel self-tapping 1/4 inch by 3/4 self-tapping screws. I'm going to do that. I'll get this bolted down, and then we'll do the rest of them. All right, we'll tighten these up. Okay, now we can tighten all these up. All right, we're going to go down the other ones, finish the rest of them. All right, as I showed here, this is a pretty simple install. We didn't have to get too involved. The biggest trick is making sure that you get the right brackets that you need. Those worked for me. If in any of the videos you saw that I didn't put that third self-tapping screw in there, I had some issues with the bolts in there. I need some shorter ones. I need probably 1/2 inch, just enough to bite it. If not, I'll put a little C-clamp on there, but I don't think it's going anywhere because those brackets are quite substantial. And I'm going to attempt to open it. Let's see what it looks like. All right, well, there it is. It's all set up. To be honest, it was a little more difficult to set up with one person. I thought it would be kind of cumbersome. Need a lot of extra hands. It's a simple setup, but it's tough with one person, but obviously I did it. I have no guy line, so it is a bit, it's not taunt, but I do like the product. It was a very easy install to the camper, and there you have it. If I can do it, you can do it. If you like this content, please like and subscribe our stuff. We have a lot of goodies coming up. We're going to do a whole coffee, different ways to make coffee video. We have a lot of product reviews on my Bouge RV refrigerator. I still have more battery stuff coming up. That hasn't been resolved yet. There's all sorts of diesel heater. So we're going to be doing some more product stuff as the weather kind of isn't so perfect for camping, which I still love winter camping. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check us out. Please feel free to comment. I'll see you soon.